Hi, my name is John Beal, and I work with the Wireless Connectivity Solutions Group in Texas Instruments. Today we're going to talk about the CC3100 and the CC3200. It's our next generation SimpleLink Wi-Fi solutions, the Internet of Things made simple. TI has the broadest wireless portfolio in the industry. It ranges from NFC, Bluetooth Low Energy, proprietary 2.4 GHz, Zigbee, RF4C, 6LoWPAN, Wi-Fi, and proprietary sub-1 GHz. These technologies offer a multitude of ranges, whether it be centimeters all the way up to 25 kilometers in distance, and throughputs from as low as 600 bits per second all the way up to 100 megabits per second, and coin cell or no battery at all to AA based batteries. Today we're going to talk about the Wi-Fi portion of the connectivity portfolio. TI offers two classes of Wi-Fi solutions, those targeted at high-end MPU-based systems called WiLink, and those that are looking at attaching or being part of an MCU-based system called SimpleLink. The WiLink 8 solutions that we offer today provide multiple combinations, whether it be Wi-Fi only or Wi-Fi plus Bluetooth and Bluetooth Low Energy. They attach to MPUs like Satara and high-level OSs like Linux. We offer certified modules that allow customers to get up and running quickly. Today we're going to talk about the next generation SimpleLink Wi-Fi solutions, the CC3100 and CC3200. The CC3100 allows you to connect any MCU-based system to the Internet via Wi-Fi. It's an Internet on a chip with integrated Wi-Fi, Internet, and security protocols. The CC3200 allows you to create an MCU-based system solely around one single chip that's got both the Wi-Fi network processor and an integrated Cortex-M4 MCU for your applications so that you can get up and running, again, only on one single chip. This next generation SimpleLink Wi-Fi family includes the industry's first single-chip Wi-Fi solution with built-in programmable MCU. They have the ability to run on two AA batteries for over a year, which brings Wi-Fi to battery-operated end equipments. We provide all you need to easily create Internet of Things solutions because we provide robust security, a quick connection, cloud support, and more. Let's dive a little deeper into the CC3100 and CC3200. These two compatible products are based on the same Wi-Fi network processor. The CC3100 is an Internet on a chip. It has an embedded TCP/IP stack and an embedded wireless LAN stack for systems using external low-cost MCUs. The CC3200 is an Internet on a chip but adds an MCU. So it itself is a wireless Wi-Fi MCU that has an integrated 80 MHz ARM Cortex-M4 that you can use for applications. The CC3100 supports the 802.11b, G, and N. It also supports station, access point, and Wi-Fi direct modes with a fully integrated radio, baseband, and MAC. It's a Wi-Fi network processor that's got the on-chip wireless LAN and TCP/IP stack, and you control it using industry standard APIs. No previous Wi-Fi experience is needed. Security is very important, and so TI has integrated a 256-bit encryption engine. The SSL and TLS support helps you to securely connect to your services. Also, from a Wi-Fi perspective, we support both personal and enterprise security. We also allow fast, secure connection because of the integrated crypto engine. TI has such low power that you can run on two AA batteries for over a year. There's a couple kits that you need to look at considering from a bundle perspective. You can get the CC3100 Booster Pack plus EMU Boost, or you can get the CC3100 Booster Pack with the MSP430 F5529 Launchpad. It's important to note that you do need the CC31XX EMU Boost regardless in order to flash as well as evaluate RF performance and other functions. TI offers flexible provisioning options. Provisioning is just the way for your CC3100 to connect to an access point. You can configure it via AP mode. You can configure it using WPS. You can also use our proprietary smart config, and there's other options. We give you tools to flash the device, as well as check out our RF performance. And we want to get you up and going as soon as possible, so we've given you multiple sample apps in the SDK that you can download for the CC3100. Another great tool is called SimpleLink Studio. What it does is it allows your PC to act like an MCU. So if you haven't decided on which MCU you want to move forward with, you can go ahead and get started and proof of concept the CC3100. The CC3200 has an on-chip ARM Cortex M4. This 80 MHz processor allows you to do all your applications all on one chip, thus supporting a lower total BOM cost. We encourage you to check out the CC3200 by purchasing the CC3200 Launchpad. One of the differences from a development tools and software perspective is that we have full-on support for CodeComposer Studio and IAR IDEs. These solutions are cost-effective, secure, and they're low power. We've done a lot of integration where we've taken all the 2.4 GHz radio and embedded it into a single chip, as well as the TCP/IP stack and wireless LAN stack. For the CC3200, you get an integrated apps MCU right on chip, all in one single chip. Your own hardware could be lower cost because we provide a simple layout with a QFN package, or you can go even more simple with a certified module, which will be coming soon. One of the great benefits of our hardware encryption is it allows for real-time encryption rather than offloading that whole solution and that computing off to your MCU. We also offer multiple low-power states that we'll talk about further. Again, we use industry-standard BSD socket APIs for simple TCP/IP communication. This allows you to get your internet applications up and running as quickly as possible, plus you can reuse code that's already available. You can use low-cost MCUs because of our small driver footprint. Also, we have this hardware crypto engine that allows for you to establish a TLS connection in 200 milliseconds. This is fast, and this is also allows for a secured user experience. TI will be providing pre-certified modules that allow you to get to market fast. This will save customers up to $50,000 of test costs and test time per product family. The next generation SimpleLink Wi-Fi family will enable you to either 1. Connect any MCU to the internet with Wi-Fi with the CC3100, or the CC3200, where you can make an MCU-based system centered around our Cortex M4 80 MHz MCU. And then you can also leverage our module solutions that are coming out soon. You can place orders today, and they'll be available on the dates noted on the RTN date to the right. If you have a battery-operated end equipment, you can now think about adding Wi-Fi to your solution. Whether it be in smart energy, security and safety, industrial M2M communication, we're enabling a whole new way to connect to the internet. Let's get a little deeper into the CC3100 and 3200. What we've done with this next generation SimpleLink Wi-Fi family is we've taken all the complexity that was typically needed for Wi-Fi based systems where you needed a high MIPS, high memory MPU, and we've taken all that complexity and integrated it into the CC3100 and CC3200. This means that all you're left with is your own application and some SimpleLink drivers or SPI or UART drivers to put onto your low-cost MCU. The next generation SimpleLink Wi-Fi family offers best-in-class security, whether it be for Wi-Fi or Internet. We not only support WPA2 Personal and WPA2 Enterprise, but we provide many other ways to connect to access points securely. Once you're on the Internet, we enable you with the SSL 3.0 or TLS 1.2 connections, and the hardware encryption engine allows us to do that fast. Let's get a little more specific about the flexible Wi-Fi provisioning options available. Again, provisioning is just a way to connect your CC3100 or CC3200 based solution to an access point. We can use access point mode, where we can use a web browser to actually configure one device to connect to any network. There's multiple steps involved, and you must disconnect either your phone, PC, or tablet from its existing network before actually configuring it. TI has a very cool technology called Smart Config. This allows you to take an Android or iOS phone app, and you can use it on most networks, and it only takes one step to connect to a network. You can configure multiple devices, and your smartphone, your tablet, or your PC still stays connected to the network. Another option is WPS, where you push a button on the router, and you can do this via one step. The challenge here is it's not so secure. We have multiple options available today and more coming soon, so stay tuned. We're not joking when we say we're bringing Wi-Fi power to a new low. We're talking about two different scenarios here, one being always connected and the other being intermittently connected. In the always connected state, you're connected to the network, but you can go into sleep state in between when you go to listen for the beacon. That's only 120 microamps in sleep current and 37 milliamps when you're actually listening. You can also have long sleep intervals up to 2 seconds. The other scenario is an intermittently connected scenario where you can stay in hibernate, which is only 4 microamps. You can quickly come out of hibernate and get a secure Wi-Fi connection in only 95 milliseconds. You could then set up a TLS connection in only 200 milliseconds, all because of our integrated hardware crypto engine. Let's now talk about kits. If you want to start with the CC3200, you can just go get a CC3200 launchpad listed here. There are also multiple options when it comes to the CC3100 booster pack, whether you want to start with an MSP430 F5529 or you just want to start directly connecting to a PC. Remember, you're going to need a CC31XX EMU boost for multiple reasons as discussed earlier. But you only need one, so if you want to purchase multiple booster packs you can, but again you'll need the CC31XX EMU boost. The CC3200 offers multiple software solutions to get you up and running, whether it be IDEs or cloud partners or leveraging our embedded software, as well as sample applications that we have made available. One of the great tools to get up and running for the CC3100 is the SimpleLink Studio for PCs. This allows you to make the PC act like an MCU and start your development immediately for the CC3100. Hopefully you've already purchased a CC3200 Launchpad or a CC3100 Booster Pack bundle. But if not, you're in for a treat. As soon as you get your box, open it up, get it all set up with the online Quick Start Guide. You'll see multiple demos available, which we'll discuss here in a moment. There is a lot of integrated internet protocols in the CC3100 and 3200. Whether it be the TCP/IP stack, the HTTP server, MDNS and DNS capability. We have multiple modes, whether it be Wi-Fi direct, Wi-Fi station, and access point mode. We give you sample applications where you can send email over SMTP or chat over XMPP. In this video, we've just scratched the surface of all the capability found in the next generation SimpleLink WiFi CC3100 and CC3200. Please check out the ti.com/SimpleLink WiFi for further information and other links listed here to get started.